I once had a tiny space that I loved so much. I called this place my little happy place, my apartment, my house, my home. I never thought I would be giving up all this soon. From this to this. Well, so day 3 in Kenya moving. I'm selling everything. Like I told you, everything. So you can see everything is out now.
True, you think it will be over. A fool might feel the way.
My name is Lynn, but call me African Tigress, your Kenyan sister. I sold everything, gave up my comfort to travel the world with special emphasis on Africa because I have always desired to travel and tell the African story, the African way by Africans.
With some time I'll find somebody new.
My initial goal was just 21 countries in 2021. But then I thought, why not travel for the next 3 to 4 years or even more? Why put a limit when I could do more? With this in mind, I bought a one-way ticket, packed my bags, and left Kenya. We finally touched down, and I don't know what I feel. Excited and scared, maybe more scared, because I don't know what everything's gonna turn out to be from this point onwards. Pray for me. So when I came to Addis, I didn't know that I was going to stay this long. I knew it was going to be roughly 13 days maximum. That's just about 2 weeks. And even booking this flight to leave was just so hard because I was like, should I not? But you know, the mission has to continue. We have to do 21 countries. So let's meet on my next country. But before then, we have to go to Kenya. We need to, get some things ready. You're probably going to see this video after I have left Kenya, but I hope you enjoy it.
And I hold on to my favorite dreams. So long as I sleep you are.
So I just checked in, done with immigration. Now time to head to the gate 10. I think this is A10. Well, so I'm just in Addis and I just met someone who recognized me through someone they were on call with.
From UK, London. And my name is Eric.
And another one here. This one recognized me and he was like, you look familiar. I was like, from?
This is Henry from the US.
From the US, yes. These are our people in the diaspora. This is our Kenyan diaspora. Yeah, so we're heading to Kenya, and definitely the time we're gonna be seeing this video, I'll probably be out of Kenya. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video. In case you do, kindly subscribe, tap the bell, and hit the like button. Let's go. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Twende. Nimemiss kuongea Kiswahili. I'm so happy that I'm finally back home after I don't know how many months. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. I miss the smell of Nairobi, the smell of Kenya. I'm so excited.
And mine is Kenya, so warm and wild and free. You will always
Several song-filled hours later.
be here in my heart. My land is Kenya.
I have lost count of days. I don't know which day today is, but I've been moving stuff today. As you can see today, this space used to be for my fridge. I moved it today. I sold it, and yeah, there's still a lot to do on this side.
One eternity later.
Well, so right now I'm going to Ethiopian airline offices right ahead there. I'm going to get my next ticket. Let's go. I just finished, booked my ticket, ran a couple of errands here in the city, and now I'm going to the garage. I need to leave my car in good, good working condition, well serviced, so just in case anyone wants to use it. And probably that will be the last activity for today, but I'm so excited. My ticket is here, and of course I've been given the requirements. I'm so excited. I love supporting small businesses, and I'm going to get my chai and mandazi from this man, and it's absolutely amazing. It's just amazing. I know some people wouldn't eat here, but anyway, I eat and I've never died, so I'm good.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
After moving out of my apartment, I have decided to set up an Airbnb in another unit. It basically has everything that you need. Wi-Fi, study area, fully equipped kitchen with fridge, microwave, hot water kettle. I mean, it's basically a house, just that it's smaller because it's a studio, but you'll have everything that you'll need. So in case you're looking for a place to stay in Nairobi, let me know. And you know what's beautiful? This place has a swimming pool at the rooftop, so you can enjoy amazing views of the city. And if you wake up early in the morning, you might have a view of Mount Kenya.
Many hours later.
Basically, or technically, this is my last night in Nairobi. I'm stuck in crazy traffic. It's raining, or it's been raining. Actually, the rain has reduced, but as you can see outside, there's a lot of traffic. And on that side, oh, I have to lower this. Oh, it's not focusing, but that is Nevada Fish and Chips, Tennessee Fish and Chips, and their logos and labels are just the same. It's very interesting. So yeah, so I don't know what time I'm going to get to the house. Maybe after 2-3 hours, especially with this traffic, and going on Mombasa Road is just something else.
The next day.
Good morning. Today is the last day. My last morning in Kenya. I'm going for my COVID test because my flight leaves at night. Past midnight, that is.
Make a U-turn.
Yes, I'm gonna make a U-turn. Well, some progress on Nairobi Expressway. Nairobi right now looks like a construction site. Finally at Nairobi West Hospital for my COVID test. I'll see you after my test.
A few moments later.
I totally hate these COVID tests. They always leave me my eyes with tears and choking. I don't know. I've done several COVID tests, but I'll never get used to this thing. It's just my nose and my nose and my throat, that's the mouth, have really suffered. Oh, it's too much. Oh.
Six and a half hours later.
Time to leave now. So I'm leaving early to the airport because of the curfew, so I'll be there for about 6 hours. Probably I'll be editing some videos, so let's go. Kwaheri Kenya, goodbye Kenya. Off we go to our new adventures, wherever we will find ourselves. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see where life takes me, where my adventures take me next. So yeah, so excited. Finally. Heading to board right now. So we just got to Addis Ababa. I have a 4 hours layover and then we'll proceed. I can't wait to go to my connecting flight because I really want to sleep. I'm so tired. I never slept last night, so I think I'll try and work so that I don't doze off. For now, let's go to work as we board, or as we wait to board our next flight. Finally boarding from Addis Ababa to my next destination. I'll just say next for now. Well, so we just got to our second stop. Remember, my first stop was in Addis Ababa. So there's some people who will be alighting here. So we think we're waiting for more passengers and then we're going to proceed to our final destination. I'm so excited. Well, so we just taken off from our second stopover. We are going to the final destination. Oh my goodness, we're finally here. We are landing. Let me show you what it looks like. Although the sun is on this side, you might not see very well, but we are above water. Wow, I love blue waters, you know. I'm so excited. So excited. Finally, we are here. Here's to a new adventure, a new journey in my life. Wow. Let me know if you can tell where this is. We are landing. I'm and I'm glowing. We finally touched down, and I don't know what I feel. Excited and scared, maybe more scared, because I don't know what everything's gonna turn out to be from this point onwards. Pray for me. Finally, the process was so smooth. The immigration process, I think, is like the smoothest I've ever had. Not so many questions or whatever, like less than 5 minutes. Actually, even the queue was moving so fast. And I'm out of the airport. My friend just picked me. Say hi.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Yeah, my friend just picked me. So we're gonna be at this place for a while, and then we're going to figure out next. Are you excited to meet me?
I'm very excited to meet you.
All right, so, well, I'm so excited about my new adventure. I don't know where it will lead me. I don't know what it's going to be like. Are we on the wrong route? Oh, that's why. Yeah, that's why they are telling you go back. Okay. If you. Yeah, because I saw a gate there. So we are supposed to go that way? Oh, okay. Alright, so I don't know what let me just give you a short view of what the outside looks like. Maybe that would help you, but let me turn so that you don't see the number plate of that vehicle, because that might guide you. Yeah, so let me pull. Well, basically this is where I am. Are you able to tell where this place is? Well, we are off the airport right now, and I don't know what it's going to be like. I don't know what my adventure is going to be like. I took a one-way ticket to this place. I don't know where I'll be going next. I think I live each day as it will come. So thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you truly enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section below, where do you think I am, and yeah, let's see if you get this one right. So until next time, kwaheri. Say kwaheri.
Kwaheri.
Yeah. See you in the next episode. I'm so excited to see your responses.
Uliakata